Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I'll be using a dozen cousins Jamaican jerk seasoning, which I got from my Thrive Market subscription. So the first thing we're going to do is season our chicken using some green seasoning. I also have some pureed garlic, and this is roasted garlic. I'm also adding some olive oil, and of course the basics of black pepper and salt as well. For this recipe, I'm also adding some ground allspice berries. I do find that they add an extra layer of flavor anytime that I am doing anything jerk chicken or jerk in general. I made sure the chicken was well coated and I allowed it to marinate for a minimum of 2 hours. Now, if you can have it marinate overnight, that's even better. I also added some soy sauce for added flavor. Once it was marinated, I placed it in a glass bowl to bake with parchment paper and I allowed it to cook. I wanted the jerk flavor to stand out, so I made a quick glaze using jerk seasoning. I added some ketchup as well, black pepper, lemon juice, some honey, and I also used some cocoa creole seasoning. I then tossed the diced chicken in the glaze until every piece was coated into that sweet, tangy, spicy jerk goodness, and then I let it sit while I prepared the eggs. For my eggs, I like to add just a little bit of vinegar. It tends to take away the eggy taste, in my opinion. You can omit it if you would like. Once the eggs were cooked, I removed the shells, I cut them in half, and I carefully removed the yolks. For the deviled egg filling, I seasoned the yolks with salt. I also added black pepper, relish, mustard, mayo, and just a pinch of sugar. I also added some dried parsley flakes just to add a little razzle dazzle. I mixed everything until it was smooth and creamy, then I transferred it to the piping bag. Now this was my favorite part, the assembling. So I started with a piece of glazed jerk chicken. Then I went in with the creamy devil egg filling and finished it off with another piece of jerk chicken. And just like that, we have jerk chicken deviled eggs. Would you try this combination? Let me know in the comments.